Let's see how to operate the automatic insert force testing machine. First, we open the software. We'll give the testing a name, open. We'll name it 456. Okay. This is the testing description. The name is 456. The type of force is pressing tensile. This does not need to change. And this the first range, we will change it to kg. It will depend on your testing sample. Today we'll do 5 kg test. We do the elongation range. Fix the testing sample on the fixture and move up, move down. You can see it is just touch it and do not separate. Here is 7.95. So here we'll type 6 mm. This is the testing speed. We will do 50 mm per minute. Testing times 3 times. Okay. Let's say the testing page. Before testing, we need 0 force and 0 elongation. And the function, we need the test continue, so we do not choose not continue testing. Here testing will choose automatic testing. Now the testing started.